on squeegee. Actually, it was $70. Kevin's gonna owe me.
Wait, is this for Kevin?
It's to clean my...
Is that for Kevin's truck?
No, it's to clean my truck. It does not scratch the paint, I swear. It's getting so much better already. Look how much it's getting off. Like, you guys waste so much time on water. Go green. Beautiful. Now we gotta go to the detailer. These look familiar? These bitches spin though. Those are the first 26x16s I ever set foot on my my Fummins.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty sick on this thing. Why don't you just run these all the time? I mean, besides the area issue, but...
That's about it. Well, on Wednesday I'm getting 38s put on them, and then I'm getting the 8-inch lift.
Nice.
Ow.
Solid.
I'm selling that for $10,000. Hit me up in the DMs right now. 10K. Mint. From Florida. Not even sun faded. No scratches.
Deliver.
Will not deliver.
No delivery.
Delivers another 10 grand.
And if you want it clean, that's another 1,000.
Big facts. You heard the man. Pressure washer? That's how you know you're in the country. I gotta pump it. Just kidding. So it was like all fun and games, taking it into the pond and stuff, until this part comes. Fuck. Maybe I should get the undercarriage before I fucking do the whole outside and it's dripping on my neck. Yeah, that sucks. It is. It's alright.
Yeah.
Shut up.
What was I even saying? I don't even know. Just cinematic as fuck now. Boom. Finally done cleaning this piece of shit. It only took, I always do that. It's the other watch, sorry. It only took like 40, 100,000 hours to clean this truck. And it only took me like 3 seconds of Gabe convincing me to put it in the pond. The ratio don't really add up much, but it looks decent now. He used Renegade products for all of it. I don't like it. It's too quiet. Why is it so quiet? You guys are being weird. I've been teaching Alexa how to fucking film. She's getting decent. She got a little bit of training to do.
Junk.
Maybe she should learn from him when I'm not around. He's got like a fucking professional camera.
You zoom in.
Yeah,
Zoom in on
I can't. My fingers are too cold. Freezing.
Can you use a camera? Do you have a phone? You have an iPhone 1 like Sebastian does, I swear.
Potato.
What is that? There's still like 25,000 pounds of mud underneath, but it'll buff. I'm gonna go take some pictures. Yo, so I was pulling in here and I curved the fuck out of my wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these bitches are going to the scrap yard. Decent. Fuck it. Damn, look at that decal, boy. What's he got back here? Some Versace tires? Are you pumped? Why don't you just roast these off real quick?
Clutch won't let it.
What? Some new meaty meats in here, boy. Sick. Now we're gonna put them on. What's it gonna take? Like 3 hours or like 30 seconds?
Let's go with 30 seconds.
Okay. Out with the hole.
Take your leg, get my tip.
Look at this boy. Grind them till you find them. How you feel about somebody else driving it?
Shaking.
You should just get that thing. That thing's sick.
Yeah.
Comes with a purse too on the mirror. Pretty sick. I'd rock the fuck out of that
I'd
thing.
rate tips.
I'd write boosted. It's a Velociraptor. Way better than those piece of shit. They said this thing's stock. A custom air filter?
Yeah, it's pretty.
It can't be nothing. Oh, okay. Okay. That's stock. You got that from O'Reilly's, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I was just making sure. That's the... Oh, damn. So you got 3 alternators on this.
Yes.
Wow. What is that? Is that...
That's
that-
the battery cable.
Is that insulation? Oh, that's the blanket because it's winter.
That's exactly
It's cold outside. Everybody's been doing that. I need to do that to mine. You didn't buy it for the power, just for the whistle, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely this.
Yeah, that's all it's for. Whistling. This one whistles more than that one?
No, that one was more.
That one whistles more.
A lot more.
Wow. Okay. How much horsepower it make? Like 3?
250.
250?
Yeah, right around there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So your Prius can beat it, right?
Yes.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, I was just making sure. You know, most people see it, it's like, oh, it looks like a stock GMC.
It is.
That's actually pretty sick. What is it? What size turbo is that?
It's a 480 over a 369. 100 over injectors, 12 mil CP3. And then I got to get a belt trans for it.
You gotta get up. I heard it's slipping.
Oh, it's beyond slipping.
We passed slip, we went to slide.
Yeah, 1 foot slip, and I'll be having this thing towed back here.
That's sick though. I like it.
Thank you.
So you're gonna this transit stuff. I was like, oh, do a burnout. Can't do a burnout.
Yeah.
Fuck. He still drives it with his slipping trans. What a nutcase. Thing's sick. I wish the trans wasn't slipping because he'd probably lay down an actual heater. how you do it. That looks way better.
A lot.
Huh? You're coming over tonight to polish mine, right?
No, you're coming over to
No,
my house.
No, you're coming over to my house and the shop
you got
is
it mixed
heated
up.
and it's nice in there and we can work inside and not outside in the driveway at your house. That's not fun. I got a 30 by 40 shop with heat. Watch this. Don't even say. Are you upset if he comes over to my house to polish my wheels? You say no? What's the excuse now? It's on camera. Shut up. Okay, sweet. You're a lot cooler than him.
Oh, duh. That's fucking lame.
Bye. Bye. Do a burnout. With the baby in the back. Are you recording yet?
No,
You been recording?
I just started.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Hey, so these arms look like shit. Paint on them look like shit. I tried to cover it up at Myrtle Beach. I knew none of the squatted shit boxes would notice, but I spray painted them in the parking garage. Sorry, I'm not filming. No, just working over here, no big deal. Anyways. So the squatted shit boxes wouldn't realize that I spray painted them because they probably spray painted their entire truck. But now I'm gonna try to do it the right way. I'm still gonna use spray paint, but I'm gonna sand it all down this time. Well, I'm done talking, so we're just gonna start sanding. So you guys just seen when I was just about to die right there. Almost lost my finger and both my eyeballs at the same time. It don't need safety glasses.